Hello guys and welcome back. Today is 28 November 2024 and in this video we will discuss about Forex account management service and I'll show you the today's results of our account management service. So guys, this is my XNest broker account and I'm using this account as a master account and all other clients accounts are linked with this master account using a premium trade copier. So guys, today we lost 1% on the master account. That's mean we lost 1% on all the clients accounts. Now let's talk about the trades. So there was only one setup on gold and this was our entry point and this was our setup for selling and this was my actually entry point and the stop loss was at this point which got hit. And the take profit was at this point and the risk was 1% on this setup and the target was 2%. So guys, finally we lost 1% today and we are closing the day with 1% drawdown. And now I'll show you some random clients accounts where you can see the same trades with same risk and reward. So let's jump into the mobile screen and let's see some clients accounts. So guys, if you want to join our account management service or if you have any question about our account management service, you can watch a detailed video about our account management service. The link of this detailed video is given in the description of this video. So guys, this was a short video of today's results. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.